last few weeks have been insane. Yeah. Alright, so this isn't a normal video, this is just a quick update. I wanted to let you know I probably won't be posting any videos between now and after Christmas. I went to the village of Billville and was able to speak there at a few churches and had a blast. It was exhausting, but it was good. Immediately after that we came back, did a resupply in town, and then we went up to the Highlands, Nukarumpa, which is kind of a vacation, kind of a resupply, medical exam, checkup thing, because they've got a lot of stuff up there that we can't get to. I will hopefully have a video about the stuff that we did there posted at some point, but I don't know when, because in just a few days, well, by the time this is uploaded, probably now, I will be hopping on a bush plane with MAF to go out to the village of Sambon, which is in the Sepik, for right at about a month, and I won't be back until right before Christmas. What incarnation is that? I hope to be able to record some videos while I'm out there, but I think the only communication we're going to have as far as outside world is ham radio and a sat phone. So I don't know if I'll be uploading a whole lot to YouTube in that time. See you at Christmas time.